All right, today we are doing full voice. It's the introductory level, and this is lesson 4. We get to read some music today for the first time, some notes, which to me is music. All right, so it says to start out by singing and signing the entire scale, ascending and descending. So go ahead, let me give you a starting pitch. So that's do. And go ahead and pause this and try to sing from do all the way up to the high do. All right? Go ahead. All right, so we have do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, ti, la, sol, fa, mi, re, do. Okay, now it says to sing the scale descending only. So here's your high pitch. All right, so pause it and try. Okay, so we start at the high one. Do, ti, la, sol, fa, mi, re, do. Okay, now it says to sing from do to so. I think they want us to start at the lower one and go to the higher one. So you try that. All right. Do, re, mi, fa, sol. Okay, now try the next one from so to do. So start on so and go up to do. So, la, ti, do. All right, the next one says sing from do to la. So again, I think they want us to start on the bottom one and then go to the la. Do. Try it. Okay, here we go. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la. And that's as high as you go. All right, so the next one, pause this one and try it. Here's your do. Do. All right, try the next one, number 4A. All right, here we go. Do, re, do, re. All right, try the next one. Now you can always sing along with me. Sing it the way you think it should be, and then unpause the video and then sing it along with me. That will help you double check yourself. All right, and the next one, B. Try it. All right. Do, re, mi, fa, mi. All right, and then whatever you wrote in here in your class, you can try that too, but I can't help you because I can't remember what we wrote. And then copycat says, listen to your teacher sing a 3-note tonic solfa melody, and then can you sing it back? All right, so mi, re, do. Now you try it. Okay, now try this one. So, fa, mi. You can rewind it to see if you got it right. And then let's do the last one. La, ti, do. Okay. Let's see. Okay, on the next page you see a quarter note. That is the black note with a stem. Well, actually, at the very top, you see all kinds of notes. There are white ones, black ones. One of them doesn't have a stem. The other ones do. One of them even has a dot. Eventually, we're going to learn what all of these are. But for now, we're only concerned with the black note that has a stem. That's a quarter note. And the white note that has a stem with no dot. The quarter note, you see a picture of it almost in the middle of the page, gets 1 beat. So every time you see a note that looks exactly like that, it's a quarter note. It doesn't matter whether the stem is going up or whether the stem is going down. And it doesn't matter whether it's in a space or on a line. None of that matters for now. It just matters what it looks like. And then the next one down is a half note. It is just a white circle with a stem. The stem can go up or down. Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter whether it's on a line note or a space note. We'll talk more about what line notes and space notes are whenever I see you in class. But for now, the only thing that matters is whether the note, what color it is, and whether it has a stem or not, or a dot. But these don't have dots. Okay, so the quarter note, the black note there, gets 1 beat. So anytime you see a quarter note in this lesson, we'll clap and say 1. For instance, at the very bottom of the page, there are 4 quarter notes in a row. So if we were going to clap those, we would say 1, 1, 1, 1. There's really not a lot to it. It'll be easier for me to gauge if you need more instruction when we're together. Then the next one is a half note that in the middle of the page is slightly lower. It's the white note with a stem, and underneath it says 1, 2. So when you clap one of those, you go 1, 2. So you're going to draw some, or maybe you have already drawn some half notes out on the staff to the side on the lines and spaces. You can put them anywhere you want. We can do this in class if you haven't done it yet. And we can draw several half notes there. And up above, you can draw several quarter notes. Those will be filled in. They'll be black. All right. Down at the bottom of the page, it says write the counts below each note. So if it's a quarter note, write a 1 under it, just like they did on the first one. If it's a half note, write a 1, 2, just like they did a little higher on the page where it says half note. You'll write the 1 directly under the white note and then a 2 out to the side. Let me clap this for you, the whole bottom line. This is how you would do it. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2. Now you try it. Pause the video. All right, now let's try it together. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2. And you don't have to move your hands around, but I do to kind of show that's like a beat. 1, 2. Some people go 1, 2. None of that matters as long as you're still holding it 1, 2. As long as you get your hands together for those 2 beats. All right, I think this, hopefully it doesn't seem complicated, but if it does, when I see you again, we'll clear everything up. It's a pretty easy lesson once you understand everything. Okay, but this will help you practice at home once we have, I think we went over the first page so far. But once you've gone over all of it, this will be easy to practice at home. Okay, all right, I will see you next week, or I'll see you, next week. All right, bye.